because today you have a job. Are you ready for your job?
Yes.
I'm sorry, are you ready for your job?
Yes.
Are you ready for your job? Thank you. Today you will be rounding numbers to subtract. Remember, if I am subtracting, I am taking my numbers away. We have our writer on the board who is going to solve at the board. The rest of us will solve with your whiteboard. Are there any questions? Let's practice. How will you show me your boards? Let me see how you're going to show me your boards. I want you to whiteboard side. Thank you very much. All right, all boards down. The first one we will practice together. Remember, our job today is, if I call on you especially, you have to tell me what strategy or how did you decide to round your numbers. All right, so for instance, our writer's going to go to number 8. Remember, we did 5, 6, and 7. So for number 8, let's watch our writer. Our writer is going to round 804. You write at your desk so you can show me very quickly. What would you round 804 to so that you can solve by estimating and rounding quicker? Remember, we are subtracting. I need some numbers on your board. I'm sorry, we're only on 804. Thank you, honestly. She is ready. Thank you, Aaliyah. You are ready. We have other people who are not following directions. Thank you. You're ready. Thank you. Let me say those directions again. We're only rounding 804. Writer, you need to follow directions too because they're doing exactly what you are doing. This is a warm-up one. Everyone show me your boards at this time. What did you round 804 to be? Speak out loud. What did you round yours to be?
800.
I'm sorry, let me try that again. Speak out loud. What did you round yours to be?
800.
800. Everybody, what did we round it to be?
800.
800. Writer on the board. 259. Round that number so that it is a number that we can easily round to subtract. Thank you. Please follow directions. This is a warm-up round. Where did your other number go? Thank you. Will you please tell me why did you round 259 to 300? Nice and loud, I can't hear you.
I rounded it to 300 because 200. Because if you count 259 all the way to I would round it to 300 because you only have a few more numbers to go to get to 300.
All right, so he said he rounded his to 300. Now, let me go to the writer because we don't like when we question ourselves. You can always go with our gut. Let me help our writer. The writer had 260 on the board. Did anybody else write 260? Why did you write 260?
I wrote 260 because the
Speak. Why did you round to 260?
I rounded to 260 because it didn't say what level to round.
So what did you end up rounding to?
I rounded to 200.
So what did he end up rounding to if he wrote 260? What is he rounding by? He's rounding by tens. Is Janai with me? Thank you very much, sweetie. All right, so am I going to tell you which one? No, I am not. But what I will tell you is when you are estimating, you want to get some numbers really quick so that you don't have to do a lot of extra math. Because again, if I am in the store and I have $800 in my pocket, we make money, we're educated, right? I have $800 in my pocket, maybe I'm at McDonald's. Talk about this, am I at McDonald's? I am not at McDonald's with $800 in my pocket. You can get $20 bills and I still don't need that much money in my pocket. So maybe I'm at Home Depot. I want to buy a new door for my back, a new door for the back, the back of my house. Does that make sense now? All right, so I don't want to spend a lot of time trying to figure out the 10 space and the 1 space. So if I did 800 minus 300, I can quickly say how much money do I get back?
500.
500. Thank you. Now, I can still do math because we're great in here, yes? So if I can round here, I'm going to have to do what to solve my problem? I can't hear you. I would have to regroup. So if you did your work this way, because that's not a wrong answer, regroup. If you did it the other way, like Honesty did, she already told me 500. So my friends, this is another 500. Thank you. Go ahead and solve your problem. Let me help you with this. 260 wouldn't round all the way down to 100. And the number was 259. Don't forget, I'm waiting to see 4 if you did it by tens. And also if you do it by hundreds. You choose which one is closer and which one you want to use for strategy. All right, at the count of 5, 4, I need to see all boards. 3, 2, 1. Raise them high in the air. This way we're not changing it. Ready? 5, another 4, 3. We're estimating, sir. Follow directions. 2, 1. Stretch your eyeballs around the room. Subtraction going on here?
Yes.
Yes. Subtraction going on here? We don't have a board up. Get your board up, honey. Subtraction going on correctly here? Let me see this board. Subtraction going on here? Let's help. Our teammate will need help. Somebody raise your hand. Help me. What's going on?
And she's at.
She's adding. Thumbs up, thumbs down. You agree. Is she adding? She is not adding, but let's help me out. Help me out.
She didn't regroup in his place.
You did not regroup in your tens place. Don't want any robbery going on. What about here? What's going on? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Why do you have your thumbs down?
I have thumbs down because she didn't regroup.
Cause?
I have my thumbs down. I have my thumbs down because she did not.
You're not telling me enough information. She did not regroup where?
She did not regroup in the tents.
Except because we're coming back. I want to go on this side of the room. Everybody else eyes stretched? Subtract. No. I want to make this a learning lesson. Well, let me go ahead and say this first. Mateo held up his board, but guess what? He quickly put it down, but this is because I'm glad that you was about to correct yourself. But I need to see this because somebody else did this too. Look up. Now, since you corrected yourself, tell me what did you find out you did? And what are you going to do next time?
Subtract.
Very good. Quickly.
So the answer is 500.
Very good. All right, back to the board. Back to the board. So she regrouped in the tens place. 10 minus 6, everybody? 4 is correct. 7 minus 2, everyone?
5.
So it's 540, a good estimate. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Wait, I don't have all thumbs up, thumbs down. If we're not paying attention. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Very good. All boards erased. All boards erased. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Writer, read the next problem. We all are going to write the problem down. Ready? We can't hear you reading.
500.
We can't hear you reading. Honey, turn in front of the board and face them and tell us what you're about to work with. 584 boys and girls. Writer, do you need another job for today? Stop working. We're reading. We don't have a page in front of us. 584, everyone. 584 minus 208. Hands are down. 584 minus 208. Write the problem first. Thank you for writing the problem first. We're not subtracting, we are estimating. Thank you for following directions. 584 minus 208. Use your arrows now. Estimate the top number. Somebody remember what the top number is when I subtract? Starts with an M. Minuend. Thank you. The number on the bottom when I subtract. Starts with an S. She reminds me of Subway. Subtrahend, that's my money. Thank you. Go ahead and start estimating. Please, writer, do not erase the board when you're working. Go. Why are you regrouping? Start over. That's why we wrote the problem down. 584, write it quickly, minus 208. What 200s are these close to? Count by hundreds. Count by hundreds, honey. 100, what comes after 100? Somebody help my friend over here. 100, count by hundreds. 200, what comes next?
300.
What else?
400.
What else?
500.
And
600.
write your 200s that we're at here. 500, 600. Thank you. Yes. Go to the next problem. Thank you. Yes. Go to the next problem. you're doing what the writer is doing, and the writer is not doing their work correctly. You're supposed to estimate, round your numbers before you solve. That's not what we asked you to do. Thank you. We're going to start moving colors. I'm not sure why we're not being mathematicians right now. Go to the next problem. Please solve. Please solve. Thank you. Go to the next problem. Now go to your bottom number and regroup. Too much time. No, ma'am. Thank you. Regroup. I'm going to round the numbers. Your problem is 584 minus 208. Go to the next problem. Yes, make them more compatible. I want the numbers so that I can subtract quickly. But that is good. Go to the next problem. Go to the next problem. Thank you. Go to the next problem, sir. Thank you. Next problem. Thank you. The next one on the board was 208. 200, 300. Which one is that closest to? Good job. Next problem. Next problem. Solve, please. Get this equal sign. This is your equal sign when you're writing long ways, okay? And don't forget to line them up by the place value. Next problem. Only difference though here is 584. If we're talking about closest to 500 and 600, that number is closest to which one? All right, we're about to go to the speed round. Line your numbers up so I know what I'm reading. Next problem. Next problem. We need to estimate these numbers. So 584 falls between 500 and 600. Choose which one is closest to. 200, 300. Choose which one is closest to. Rewrite your problem. Thank you. Next problem. Woo, the writer is going. Okay, let's talk. If this is 30, you have to move this to right in the tens place. See how my fingernail? Uh-huh. You see that? That's not 370. This is only 36. 36 is a tens place number. So you're making it into a hundreds place number. Where did you get that other $200 from? Ooh, so move this over so that it lines up with your tens place. Yes. Erase your board. Erase your board. Erase. Look at your tens place again. I need that subtraction sign by the 2. Now subtract both of those numbers on your bar. All right, let's pause. Everybody pause. I need to help a teammate. I need to help a teammate.